Yeah, Islam National Underground thunder bounce when I stop the ground. Like a million elephants, a silverback orangutan. You can't stop a train. Who wants some? Don't come unprepared. I'll be there, but when I leave there, better be a household name. Weatherman telling us it ain't gon' rain. So now we sitting in a drop top soaking wet. In the silk suit, trying not to sweat. Hit somersaults without the net. But this be the year that we won't forget. 1999. And around me, anything goes. Be what you wanna be. Long as you know consequences are given for living defenses. Too hot to jump in jail. Too low to dig, I might just touch hell. Hot, get a life, now they gon' sell. Then I might catch you a spell. Look at what came in the mail. A scale and some arm and hammer. So road grill and a baby mama. Black Cadillac in the back of pampers. Lack of questions with no answers. Cure for cancer, cure for AIDS. Make a nigga wanna stay on tour for days. Get back home, things are wrong. When not really, it was bad all along. Before you left ass up to a ball of power. Thoughts at 1,000 miles per hour. Hello ghetto, let your brain breathe. Believe there's always more. Don't pull the bang out unless you plan to bang.
Traces on, did you ever think of pimp rock a microphone like that there boy, and we still stay street. Big things happen every time we meet, like a track team crash ain't dying to geek. Outcasts bumping up and down the street, slam back Cadillac by 5 niggas, these 75 MCs freestyle to the beat, cause we get crunk, stay drunk at the club. Should've bought an ounce but you caught the dub, should've held back but you throwed the punch. Supposed to meet you good but you packed the lunch. No G to the U to the G for you, got a son on the way by the name of Bamboo. Got a little baby girl for a year, Jordan. Never turn my back on my kids for them, should've hit it with it. Rag top, before you re-up, get a laptop. Make a minute for yourself, boy, set some goals. Make a fat dime out of dusty cold. Reckon number 4, but we on the road. Hold up, slow up, stop, control like Janet. Planet, stay on it's only a moving like floor, come straight to Florida. Lock all your windows and block the quarters. Put it up on bail, cause the weapons in order. Like a 3-piece bitch before I cut your daughter. Your kid on Taco Bell, then I hit the border. Pity pat rapper trying to get the 5. I'm a microphone fiend trying to stay alive. When you come to ATL, boy, you bet not high, cause the Dungeon family gon' ride.
Don't pull the bang out unless you plan to bang. Don't leave the bang unless you plan to hit something.
Sets off an unsuspecting herd, and as you step back in the line, a mob jumps to their feet. Now dance, fucker, dance, man, he never had a chance, and no one even knew it was really only you, and now you steal away. Take him out today. Nice work you did. You're gonna go fuck it with 1,000 eyes in a good disguise, in a placed in here. What better time than now?
On the mic like a fascist Mussolini, coming through with no remorse from the dark. You will see me rise up from the sea like a god.